Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here at Spotify Camp Nou after several days away from the stadium. Yesterday's match against Atletico Madrid saw the team fall short of a comeback despite a valiant effort. That 1% possibility and 99% faith nearly delivered the heroic result. Despite the outcome, the performance provides positive momentum for the remaining season. Today we'll explore construction developments around the stadium after this extended absence. Before we begin, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's dive in. We begin at North Goal Corner, where workers actively chip concrete floor surfaces using hydraulic hammers. Multiple elevated platforms operate throughout elevator structures, with workers performing final detailing work, suggesting sandwich panels will arrive soon. Workers apply paint to beams using rollers in upper zones. Glass panels now display protective coverings, preventing paint contamination. All corner glazing is complete. Last week's major development continues. Anchors are fully installed throughout the left sector, in both bracket zones and lower false ceiling areas. However, the right sector and adjacent sectors still lack anchors in bracket zones awaiting installation. Central North Goal generates substantial noise from upper zones, though work isn't visible from ground level, with numerous workers operating in elevated areas. Lower zones show welding operations in progress, though cameras maintain distance to prevent lens damage. Support bracket connection pieces haven't been installed yet in vertical positions on black beams where false ceiling framework will attach. Elevator structures show workers preparing frameworks, suggesting sandwich panel installation approaches, though 4 concrete base panels staged near the diamond have awaited installation for extended periods. The corner approaching Tribuna shows workers visible in upper zones with glass panels staged above. Tribuna's section shows continued sandwich panel advancement on elevator structures with workers actively engaged. Substantial additional panels sit staged behind a recently arrived truck, delivering new prefabricated seating sections. Concrete base panels are also installed on the rear structure visible in the background. Elevated platforms operate throughout with interior scaffolding zones showing active worker presence. The right side shows multiple elevated platforms and cranes working with components being positioned. At the official store, Diamond, workers operate on upper sections positioning metal, joining strips between glass panels. 3 glass panels required above entrance doors remain staged awaiting installation. South Goal displays workers operating behind slat support brackets, applying material with trowels to the rear face of black truss beams. Anchors haven't been installed yet in support brackets, unlike North Goal Corner where anchor installation has commenced. Interior scaffolding zones show substantial worker presence with numerous personnel engaged. These structures show considerable advancement, suggesting sandwich panels will arrive soon. Corner zones display significant activity, with multiple elevated platforms operating. Lateral structure sections show 1 sandwich panel gap remaining, with workers removing protective plastic covering from installed panels. Upper zones show concrete chipping operations between beams and hollow core slabs. The lateral section shows no new compression ring components arrived since last week, when 2 radial beams were delivered. The 5th radial beam remains staged awaiting installation. 2 concrete pumps are positioned, though currently inactive. The compression ring pillar remains unstaged despite preparation beginning days ago. Substantial slat quantities remain staged, with the slat installation crane positioned nearby. Workers operate in zones where rebar mesh was placed and concrete poured. Multiple elevated platforms work on exterior slat support bracket zones, with workers tightening components from behind brackets. Workers drill into floor surfaces where protruding tubes likely serve LED lighting systems for slats. That's today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Activity levels appear somewhat quieter today, with anchor installations progressing in North Goal Corner, sandwich panels, painting and preparation work occurring throughout multiple zones, but no new compression ring components installed. I hope you enjoyed today's construction update, despite the more measured pace. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and really helps us continue these daily updates. Thanks for watching MegaVerse Builds. See you tomorrow.